Hey guys, this is Brian, and we are here today talking about the Alfresco ALXE series of grills. Now, this is not a model-specific video, but a general overview of what you can come to expect with Alfresco and any of the grills ranging from 30, 36, 42, all the way up to the 56 BFG. You're going to see an overview of all the industry firsts that make Alfresco one of the best kept secrets in this class. We're going to go through kind of step by step why I love the Alfresco. We're talking about my personal Alfresco grill here today. So we're going to go through some of these features, some of the ways that I use it, and we're going to close this by cooking a really, really delicious cowboy steak on here, using our sear burner, slow cooking, adding some smoke, doing all the cool things that you want to do when you get some really nice high-end meat, and just trying to show you why this grill is worth the money. So stick around, we're going to check everything out, we're going to go through line by line, feature by feature, and we'll talk to you soon. So today we're taking a look at my personal ALXE 56 BFG. This is one of the largest grills on the market, coming in at 56 inches of total cooking surface. All Alfresco ALXE grills come with an ignition button, light switch, and rotisserie switch. The 56-inch model also comes with an ignition switch on the other side of the grill for ease and convenience. All Alfresco knobs and bezels are nickel-plated to help with corrosion resistance. Now on this grill, I've had my bezels custom colored. However, on your standard grill, they will come matching the knob. With a rotating handle and Alfresco's easy lift spring torsion system, even lifting this massive canopy is very easy to do. It requires almost no effort. Another great feature of the Alfresco ALXE series of grills is its independent smoker draw. Unlike their competitors who are using just a simple smoker box placed over the burners internally, this draw is giving you the ability to rapidly and safely refill with smoke chips or smoke chunks to kind of incorporate smoke throughout the entire process of your cooking experience. Thanks to Alfresco's Safe Touch air-cooled technology, the front of your grill will always stay cool to the touch. It's taking air from the front of the grill and cycling it around the control surface, making sure that that hot air is not overheating your knobs or your bullnose or any of the parts that you would come in contact with. In fact, I get asked all the time how hot this grill gets. What type of clearances are they gonna need? Now this is right up against a Trex railing, so essentially a plastic railing. I've never had issues with this. My grill always stays cool in the front, and even having a hand close in the back while the burners are going, you still don't feel heat. The only heat that you're going to feel on this grill is going to be contained inside the firebox itself. So this is the setup. This is the way I constantly keep my Alfresco set. We've got our sear burner, standard grill surface, and I like to keep my griddle, the Alfresco drop-in accessory, which we'll touch on a little bit later, always installed in there, whether I'm doing smash burgers, whether I'm doing fajitas. It's always just a great thing to have. Now people ask me quite a lot, how long should briquettes last and briquette trays last? I got this grill in 2019, and you can see just how good and well kept those briquettes are. Same with my grates. You keep them clean, you clean as recommended, and you'll have a lifetime of use out of these products. The Alfresco ALXE series of grills is loaded with industry-first features, that their competitors are still trying to properly duplicate today. All right, so we got these sweet cowboy steaks. We're just coating them with some olive oil. We got some fantastic butchers that are up here. There we go. Second to wash my hands. All right, we're gonna be purists with this. We're just gonna go salt, pepper, garlic. Really, you shouldn't need that much more on your steak. If you're getting good quality steaks, that salt, pepper, garlic blend, that's gonna do it for you. And always remember, I tell people, you know, however much you think is enough, double it. Because really, when you got steaks this big, you need to season the crap out of them. To get that type of crust that you're gonna get when you go to a restaurant is going to require a ridiculous amount of seasonings. Also, don't forget the sides. Once you're done doing top, bottom, we're gonna go around and we're gonna do the sides as well. All right, so we're gonna take care of that, and as soon as we're done, we're gonna throw this right on our sear burner on our Alfresco ALXE 56 BFG grill, and we'll go through the cooking process. So stick with us. All right, so whenever we're using the sear burner, I like to do 2 minutes per side, then rotate another 2 minutes per side, and then I like to go on our warming rack, and I essentially use the grill as an oven. Now keep in mind, it is very important to control your temperature throughout this, because you can, if the wind is right and the temps are too high, you can actually melt out the front of any pro style grill. All right, we'll do another video on that at a different time. So right now, let's just get to cooking this cowboy steak. So here we go. You can see that smoke and that sizzle right there. Man, I wish I could actually tell you what this smells like. To smell that fat and that pepper, all of it searing simultaneously is just incredible. All right, so there you have it. We've shown you how to cook an amazing cowboy steak on the Alfresco ALXE series of grills. Again, this is the ALXE 56 BFG, all right? We've shown you how to use the sear burner. We've shown you the incredible power of that 27,500 BTU U-burner, all right? We've shown you certain aspects of the drop-in accessories. We are going to be doing a series all summer long on the different drop-in accessories that make the Alfresco series of grills the absolute best in the industry. All right, so if you need more information, please hit us up, www.smgltd.net, or call directly at 800-358-8886. Signature Marketing Group is the Northeastern distributor for both Alfresco and Artisan grill products and outdoor products. So call us today. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.